So hubby came home from fishing with all of this. That's a good sign or a bad sign? Because this was bait.
Terrible sign. Rough day.
And we'd like to cook this. This is what we call fry dry. We use for fry dry.
It's Joshua, really good bait. But when you don't catch fish with it, you bring it home for your wife, so at least you don't get angry, you stay out all day. Because she can eat this with her favorite meal, dal, rice, and fried dry.
To go in the fry dry, just making some stew chicken. So having some stew chicken, dal, and rice with fry dry and some pak choy for the husband.
Alright, so simple cleaning method. You just scale both sides quickly. One side, two side, on top of it. And you just come from an angle, starting at the head.
Why angle?
Because you're cutting out the head and the belly one time. This is the belly with all the cuts and stuff right here. So you just cut at an angle. And it's just like easy as that. Just rinse that out and you're good to go.
So
Quick actions.
fry dry is on the menu.
Some people fry it whole. They just cut out the belly and leave the head and stuff like that. But this young lady does not eat any fish head whatsoever.
I know a lot of people talk about that with my fish prep video.
I kind of agree with her. I'm not into eating much brains as well. I think I have enough brains.
Sorry guys, I'm not a fan of fish head in food at all.
Yeah, everyone has their own likes and dislikes, eh?
Alright, so now that the husband properly cleaned the Joshua for us, the fish that we're going to be using, I'm going to season it up now. So I'm going to add some salt. I'm adding some black pepper. I'm going in with some cayenne pepper because you know everything for me has to have some spice. I'm also going to add some garlic powder and some green seasoning. I'm gonna mix it up, and just for a little more flavor I'm going to add some curry powder. So I'm just going to set this aside, and the next step is just to basically coat it in some flour and just fry them. It's that easy to make up Trini Fry Dry. Okay, so now that we have our fish all nice and seasoned, I have some flour that you're going to coat the Joshua with before you fry it. But to my flour, I'm going to add a little bit of curry powder to it, and you can add just about anything you want to the flour mixture. If you want to add some pepper to it as well, you can do so. You can add some salt, but I already put the salt and everything in here. So all you want to do is just coat it, and you're going to drop this into the oil. And once the oil is hot, you can just sprinkle some of the flour in it just to check it. So once the oil is hot, you just want to add in your fish. And these will not take long to cook. Just want to cook them until they're nice and brown. I say just fry them until they're nice and golden color brown. And you just have your tray or a plate with paper towel handy right next to it. And then you just carefully take them out of the oil. Fry dry is something that I absolutely love. And well, this is fish that they, as you heard the husband say, they use it as bait. So I guess when they bring it back from a fishing trip, that isn't necessarily a good sign for the fishermen, but that means we just get to eat some fry dry. So I'm just going to finish out the rest of the fish that I have here, and then we're just going to plate up, sit down, and enjoy some delicious fried dry. Alright guys, and this is the final product. This is what our fried dry looks like. It's pretty delicious. Can't wait to eat it. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you liked this video. If you did like it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share with all your friends and your family. Hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification button, and you can tune in to my website to get all my recipes, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. See you guys in the next video. And just in case you're curious, this is what the entire dish looks like. So I have my fried dry here, some pak choy, some stew chicken, piece of pepper, dal, rice, and of course some cucumber chow.